You have a mandir? Yeah. Oh my god.
Sounds very weird, I know. Pictures I've seen, so it was apparently a Valentine's Day gift.
Oh my god.
I don't think any guy can beat that.
At the same time that we have to be very mentally strong कि ठीक है ये हुआ, then we have to move on, be it trolling or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think anybody wants to get trolled
Of
or
course.
this thing. तो वो तो जब होता है, it hurts. And you know, you feel bad, but then you realize why you're doing this job because you're passionate about films.
Also, I don't know why I have this gut feeling of that, you know, after Dhurandhar, Raja Saab is gonna be touching that level.
Ooh, touch wood.
With that,
Like,
Thank you.
commission भेज देना मुझे
100%.
box office का.
manifestation
I'm gonna-
commission.
अगर मैंने बोला है पक्का दूंगी, ठीक है.
Too much. This is on record. I'm gonna get money from the productions. That's on record. All right.
मतलब I'm saying like as if I'm the producer, I'll try.
You'll give it me. You'll give me from your fees. I
From
guess.
my fees, ठीक है, done.
ऑडियंस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. चल गई तो बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब सोने पे सुहागा हो गया, बढ़िया है. नहीं भी चली तो आपने कुछ बनाया और आपने कुछ तो किया खुद के साथ. Like my last film was Super Boys of Malegaon. It was a beautiful film.
Yeah.
I mean, Prabhas
Yeah.
is impeccable when it comes to comedy. I had not seen much of his comedy work, you know, before, but when I did get to see him in person,
जिसका बहुत अरसों से हमें इंतज़ार है. I still remember going to Hyderabad for Raja Saab and what experience we've had there visiting the
Yes.
sets especially,
Yeah.
and it happened after a long time.
Yeah.
We remember the old days when people used to, special journalists used to go to sets and see how things were actually happening. So kudos that you made it, you know, to that level. Welcoming you to
Thank
Filmy
you.
Beat. This is me, Asiadi. Firstly, tell me how tired are you and how content, excited are you at the same time for the film?
Very, very excited for the film. I think we've all worked super hard for the last 2.5, 3 years, and finally,
yeah.
you know, it's coming out. So I also wanted to shoot much more, but yeah, super happy that people are going to see it.
yeah, I'm just thrilled to be here. Super excited that it's coming out finally after all this hard work and time. And tired, I would say that, you know, the testosterone, the adrenaline is keeping me up, so not very much.
I guess in तमाम चीज़ों के साथ-साथ fame always comes with the time and with the things that we do. It also leads to certain incidents which we all face. Like there's trolling that is there. There are events that we go to. Of course, we all know, you know. But tell me, you know, what are the ways that you make your mind very stable that way? Ki, no, this is what we wanted. Come on. If it is happening, that is also fun because it doesn't happen to everyone. You know, you should be lucky about it. But at the same time, that we need to be very mentally strong. Ki, ठीक है ये हुआ, then we have to move on. Be it trolling or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think anybody wants to get trolled
Of
or
course.
this thing. तो वो तो जब होता है, it hurts. And you know, you feel bad, but then you realize why you're doing this job because you're passionate about films. And yeah, I think it's just that then. Yeah.
I think that so long as, you know, you have clarity of yourself within you.
Yes.
And so long as you're sure of what you're doing, your family is good with you, and the people that you love you and respect you and admire you for who you are. Trolling doesn't necessarily matter to me because we as individuals are very different and everybody holds their opinions. It's not nice to be not nice, but it can't be helped with certain situations, and yeah, you can just be true to yourself and move on. Get over it.
Yeah.
What are the basic learnings that you're taking from the acting project that we've done? Because of course, working with such big statured name that we have in the film, with the director and the actors or the technical team that we've had, and then the immense love of South industry. Oh my God, you know, you're gonna be Devi, I tell you, very soon. You'll also have your mandir in Hyderabad. I won't be shocked
I
to
have
see.
one, but it's not in Hyderabad.
You have a mandir?
Yeah.
Oh my God, where is
That
it?
sounds very weird, I know.
No, it's a headline for me.
But,
Huh? Tell me please.
No, it was done in Tamil Nadu, I think, when one of my films had released. So yeah, I mean it.
Have you visited, like,
No,
do you,
no, I have not gone. I have
but
not.
you must have the same picture to dekhi hogi.
Pictures I've seen, so it was apparently a Valentine's Day gift.
Oh my God.
I don't think any guy can beat that.
Romantic to have a
Matlab,
mandir.
it's crazy. I don't encourage it at all.
But-
But you just take it as love, you know. You don't take it seriously. It's just love.
Ooh,
I mean, worship your woman taken to another level. Like,
too much.
love that.
Yes. What was my question? I went into mandir only. What was I was saying? Yeah. कि you know how things have changed and what are the learnings that you've taken from the stature of the acting that we see in the film?
From this particular film, I think what I've learned really well is comedy timing. Because yeah, it's got great comedy, and I'm glad that I got to see that part of him in person. And he has this different sort of charisma when he does comedy, and plus Maruti sir as well. You know, he is a fabulous director, but again, like his comedy timing is also so good. So I think that's one thing that I've learned. And again, like because of Prabhasa, I've learned just how one can play with the camera, how one can take more time, and how to play with your eyes. I guess that, yeah.
I think so many learnings on screen.
Off screen.
But the one thing that I think I would like to take away is I've made some beautiful friendships on this film, and I've had some great memories on this set. I think it's been my most fun shooting experience. इतना मज़ा मुझे किसी set पे नहीं आया मेरी life में. तो I would really love to take that in my memories.
ठीक है, कैसे देखते हैं अब आगे की दुनिया? आप समंदर है ऑडियंस का, हमें वीडियोस में देखा, फैंस वर क्रेजी, यू नो, ओ माय गॉड, बट टेल मी, इतना प्यार मिलना कभी कभी बहुत हो जाता है. टू मच लव इज टू मच लव समटाइम्स. सो हाउ डू यू सी द ऑडियंस लव दैट विल बी रिसीविंग?
I mean, audience love
Has been, of course,
talking about
coming.
the film, and you know that people go to the film and they like the film. In that way, audience love is always
There.
expected and respected.
I love the way you're putting it up. Yeah, not the other way around.
हाँ, नहीं, not regarding those things. I'm just saying, like,
Yeah,
when
of
the
course.
audience gives you love, whether it's on social media or whether it's by buying the ticket to go and
Yeah.
watch your film, I think it's very special.
Very.
You know, and I think as actors, all actors get a lot of love, and it makes you feel very special.
I think for an artist, you know, you're a performer, right? The only thing you perform for is an audience. You know, like how do you perform solo?
Yeah.
Who would judge your performance? So as an actor, all you want is an audience, and to get appreciation and validation for your performance is the only reason why we perform. So it's overwhelming, and it's beautiful to see the love that's been pouring in, and I can't wait to venture into it.
And also, I don't know why I have this gut feeling of that, you know, after Dhurandhar, Raja Saab is gonna be touching that level.
Ooh, touch wood.
With that,
Like.
Thank you.
कमीशन भेज देना मुझे
100%.
बॉक्स ऑफिस का.
Manifestation
I'm gonna-
commission.
अगर मैंने बोला है पक्का दूंगी. ठीक है.
Too much. This is on record. I'm gonna get money from the productions. That's on record. All right.
मतलब I'm saying like as if I'm the producer, I'll try.
You'll give it me. You'll give me from your fees. I
From
guess.
my fees, ठीक है, done.
But I do like that way. Does it affect you that a film should do box office में बहुत अच्छा? That is the only way to say that the film is hit, or you're also like ठीक है, it's okay, we enjoyed. Audience को कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता. नहीं मतलब कि हाँ, you can have your perspectives. ये third person का perspective मेरा नहीं.
Yeah.
I feel that you know, when you create art, it's like you let it be, right? फिर वो audience के ऊपर depend करता है. चल गई तो बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब सोने पे सुहागा, हो गया बढ़िया है. नहीं भी चली तो आपने कुछ बनाया और आपने कुछ तो किया खुद के साथ. Like my last film was Super Boys of Malegaon. It was a beautiful film.
Yeah.
And I mean, commercially it wasn't, you know, that. But does it matter when you make a film or watch a film like that?
True.
I don't know.
I mean, for me, see, my reasons for wanting this film to do well are very different. I really feel like big films, like very big budget films, should do well, and the entire industry should support that. Because क्या होता है जब एक बड़ी पिक्चर बहुत अच्छा करती है, तो और
उम्मीदें
15 movies बनती है, सबको काम मिलता है, and media, actors, we're all a part of the same industry. So I really always wish for big films to do big numbers, not just mine, any big film.
Oh,
No,
that's
seriously,
very
it's
vicious.
good for all of us.
Yeah, that's really true
Yeah.
because the circle of
Exactly.
you know transitions
Yeah.
of emotion ends otherwise.
Exactly.
But kudos to you that you've been able to do it till now at least. We are hoping कि 9 जनवरी को मज़े आ जाएं और थिएटर में आग लग जाए, ऑडियंस की भीड़ भड़का हो जाए फिर से. हम बिल्कुल चाहते हैं खचाखच ऑडियंस जो है मौजूद रहे. इतने मुश्किल शब्दों का प्रयोग मैंने कर लिया है. With that, your message to your audiences, of course, they've been waiting for this. They've been dying to have the first look of the, you know, the first day, first scene, first look of the film. Your message to people.
Oh, message to people. Do watch Raja Saab on the 9th of Jan. I'm sure you guys will like the film. There's a lot of horror, comedy, fantasy, everything. I think it's a mixed bag and it's going to be fun for kids as well. So do go and watch it.
Very glamorous. With that, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Keep doing wonders.
Thank you.